Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video. Today I am pleased to make this tutorial on how I was able to design that tire logo. Okay, so I'm going to start over with changing the color of my background. I want to give it a white background. Okay, I will remove this. Then first of all, I want to add a text. Now this text is the initial of the name of the company that I am designing for, which is Sydney Tires. So I'll click on OK. I'll come over to size and increase the size. Okay, then I will go to my font. I have downloaded some stylish font on the font, so that is what I'm going to be using today. And the name of this font is Stylish Calligraphy Them. Okay, I'll click on OK. Now if you look at this text, you'll find out that it's a little bit disrupted. So what I'm going to do is I'll come over to padding. Okay, now look at where the secret is. I'll increase the left padding. You see what just happened? I'll increase the right one and boom, we have our text back the right way it should. So I'm going to go to rotate and rotate this text a bit. I don't want it to be slanted. Okay, so yeah, perfect. So that is it. So I'll come over to size. I want to reduce the size. Okay, this is perfect. Yeah, let's leave it at 100. Now I want to be giving this text a background, so I'll go over to text background. The color of the background is red, but I want it to be a gradient. Now this were the gradient that I made for this, but I want us to do it together. So let's start all over. I'll click over here, click on red, bring it here. Now I want this red to be a dark red, not really dark but a little bit dim. I'll click on OK. I'll do the same for this red, leave it here. So I want to make it to have 3 different colors, so I'll click on the plus sign in order to create another one. So I want to make this middle one to be more lighter, so I'll just leave it here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so guys, I'm going to reduce the left padding like this. Okay, reduce the right padding this way. Okay, I'll do the same for the top padding a little bit, the same for the bottom padding like this. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give my text a color. You know, we have not given our text a color, we were just editing the background color. So right now we'll give our text a color. We'll give it a white color, and then we'll come over to style. I'll make it bold. Perfect. So let's bring our text down in order to move over to what we have next. So I'm going to be adding another text, this time around the name of the company. Now the name of the company is Sydney Tires. I will come over to color, and okay, this was the dark blue color that I was using, but I would like also to show you guys how I was able to get it. So I just picked a blue color. Yeah, I think it was this one. Okay, let's just use this one. I picked a blue color, I clicked on the plus sign, and then I dimmed it. You see what I just did? Okay, that was what I did. So I will change the font to this font that I got also from the font, new comic title laser or whatever, that's the name. So I will increase the size considerably. Okay, then I will use my relative position to make the movement more faster. Perfect. So I'll use my position to make it stay well. Okay, so guys, yeah, that is it. I'll go to style and make it bold. Perfect. So guys, that is it. I'm going to be adding the company's tagline, that is when you hear Sydney Tires, where strength begins, a company's tagline, you can also look up for what a company tagline means. It will be helpful for you as a designer. So the tagline of this company is where strength begins. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to be giving this a font. Now this font is a Pixellab font. Sorry about that. It's a Pixellab font. It's one of my best fonts on Pixellab, the main font. So I will use the relative position to make movement faster, then my position to bring it this way. I'm going to be reducing the size. Okay, I think this is good. Let's go to spacing and space it out a little bit. Okay, perfect. We'll move it to the side. I don't want it to be by the center. I want it to be just at the side. Sorry about that. So I will change the color to that dark blue also. So right now I want to create a picture. I want to create an imagery in the mind of the audience that will be seeing this logo. Okay, now since we are talking about tires here, why don't we add an image of a tire? Okay, that's one of the basic things about graphics, being able to convey information properly. Okay, so that's the image of the tire. I got it from Google, removed the image background at BG. If you don't know how to remove an image background by now, you should go and look up for that tutorial. We have it on our channel. Go and look it up. It's very simple. I promise you will learn a lot from it. So I'm going to rotate this a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. So what I'll do now is, I think I still need to increase it. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's leave it at 12. Then position. Okay, let's still increase it. Position. Perfect. So guys, look at that. Look at what we've been able to create. So what I still have to do one more thing, alignment. So what I will do is I'll click on here, then I will select this, then select all of them, click over here, use my relative position tool, and then move everything. So guys, now we are going to save our work. Now there are two major ways in which I normally save my logo works, and it's very important also because I advise any graphic designer, whenever you create a logo for a client, endeavor to give the client the logo in two very important formats. Number one is give the client the logo as a PNG, in PNG format, to make it easier for the client for other users. Secondly, give the client this logo in a mocked up format. Now, mocked up format will enable the client, if he or she wants to use it on the social media handles and all that, it will make your work more professional and all that. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can save your work on PNG format on Pixellab. You guys know the normal way we save works. You just come over here, save as image. Yeah, you choose PNG, preferably Dimension Ultra. But I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to save the work on PNG directly. So you click over here on the background icon, then you click on transparent. Simple. Then you save your work. So guys, that's it for this logo. I really thank you guys for joining me, and please subscribe. Okay, that's a way to encourage us. Thank you very much. God bless you.